Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student, we have already read from Alif to the letter Fa. We Alhamdulillah completely read the pronunciation pattern and also the essence of Arabic. So these are our Arabic alphabets. So we have need to read it with the Arabic essence and the correct pronunciation. So in lesson number one, we read from Alif to the lesson number from Alif to the letter Kha, and then on lesson number two we have read from letter this one Dal to Sheen, and on lesson number three we have read from this letter Sad to Fa completely. Just we quickly revise all the letters from this one from Alif. So now we read quickly. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa. Now we start the new lesson, the new letter. So again we start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The new lesson start from this one, this letter from Qaaf. We open another app this page, so it is easy to understand and to show the letters. And now this app is okay. So the new letter is this one from start from Sad, from Fa, Qaf. So this letter is Qaf. This one is Qaf. Qaf. And another is next one is this one is Kaf. 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 Now we the sound of these two letters is a little bit same. So what is the difference between these two letters? First one is this letter has two dot on the top, and this one is empty. And another thing is that this one letter is bold. We read this letter heavy, like Qaf, and this one we read light, Kaf. And this is the next letter is Lam. 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 And Lam is empty. And the next one is this one is Mim. 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 The next one letter is this one is Noon. 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 A noon has one dot at the top of the letters. This is the sign of this letter noon. One dot at the top of the letter. And this one, this is wow. 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 And also this letter is wow is empty, no any dot on wow. Okay, this is ha. This letter is ha. Ha. Next one is hamza. 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 Next one is ya. 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 Ya has two dot at the bottom. Ya has two dot at the bottom. And also the last letter, this one is also we read ya. Ya. They both are different in shape, but the letter is same. The pronunciation of the both these two letters is same, but shape of these two letters is different. Okay, by that's why the two letters are written here with together. So this one is ya, also this one is also ya, and two dot at the bottom. So they just the shape of these two letters is different, the pronunciation of these two is same. Okay, jazakallah. So we now once again they repeat the new lesson one by one. Qaf. Qaf has two dots at the top, and then kaf. Kaf is empty. Then lam. Lam is empty. And the next is this one is meme. Meme is empty. And the next one, this one is noon. Noon has one dot at the top of the letter, and this is wow. Sorry, wow. Wow. And wow is empty. And this one letter is ha. Ha. Ha is also empty, and this one is hamza. Hamza is also empty, and this one is ya. Ya has two dot at the bottom, and the last letter is also ya. Ya has two dot at the bottom. So now we quickly repeat the whole Arabic alphabets one by one. So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. Are we read with the sign like Alif? Alif is empty. Ba, Ba has one dot at the bottom. Ta, Ta has two dot on the top. Sa. Sa has three dot on the top. Jim. Jim has one dot at the middle. Ha. Ha is empty. Kha. Kha has one dot at the top. Dal. Dal is empty. Dal. Dal has one dot at the top. Ra. Ra is empty. Za. Za has one dot at the top. Seen. Seen has empty. Sheen. Sheen has three dots on the top. Sqad. Sqad is empty. Bod. Bod has one dot at the top. Ta. Ta is empty. Za. Za has one dot at the top. Ain. Ain is empty. Ghain. Ghain has one dot at the top. Fa. Fa has one dot at the top. Qaf. Qaf has two dots at the top. Kaf. Kaf is empty. Lam. Lam is empty. Mim. Mim has empty. Noon. Noon has one dot at the top. Wow. Wow is empty. Ha. Ha is empty. Hamza. Hamza is empty. Ya. Ya has two dots at the bottom. Ya. Ya has two dots at the bottom. So dear student, this is our lesson number 4, and also alhamdulillah we complete the Arabic alphabets. So listen carefully the alphabets and fully comment on these letters. If you fully comment on these letters, so we have too easy to read the next pages of this book. Okay, jazakallah. Inshallah, see you with the next lesson and next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.